Welcome to Long Mi Recycling Station in the Mekong Delta, one of the most beautiful places on this planet. It is February 2023 and Pacific Beauty is doing a recycling workshop with Duong. Their highly motivated people take care of sustainability and development of about 100 schools. Mrs. Tu Sang, Chao Ke, and Mr. Bin, our worker. Mr. Bin is a master in building houses from coconut and bamboo. A new material is entering every corner of the world. Colorful, practical, light, and cheap. We have been using it for a long time in a careless way. We cannot completely repair the damage that we caused. We must find ways to prevent further damage. Pacific Beauty supports Anyung in their project to find ways to tackle this problem by pressing and baking the mix of plastic to boards. In May 2022, Mr. Tran and Mr. Oy visited Tanan Recycling Station to be trained by Mr. T. Plastic is too cheap to sort it out, so we use the full mix of households. Students take their plastic waste to school, we chip it and put it in a tray, and then we bake the mix for about 20 minutes to make boards. Boards are later processed to school furniture. A board of 60 and 40 centimeters we can produce for about €1.80. We make everything ourselves so that we can understand the devices and we can repair the devices if necessary, and we can develop them further. Chao Ke is explaining the configuration of the heat control. Mr. Chan is connecting the heater to the plates and puts everything in a box with insulation. And our electrician is finishing and completing the boxes. In order to be competitive at the market, we build up semi-industrial processes so that the worker can continuously repeat the same activities without losing time. Trays with boards are cooled in a wooden frame so that the heat press is free to put in the next tray. In case the market changes, we have a second mainstay. Mr. Ben is producing sticks which we can process to little chairs and sell them for about €4. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to visit us at Long Mi Station if you like.